I'm going to talk about amperage. Amperage is the flow of electricity. So I'm going to take this off. I'm going to turn it to amps, the low amps. Okay. I'm going to start the motor. I'm going to check the amperage. That's my flow of electricity, 0.85 amps. Check each phase, 0.865 amps. Check the other phase. That is checking amperage. I would recommend that if you keep having something overload or trip, not short I would check continuity. But if you have that, do your amperage and verify. So that's amperage. I showed you continuity, I showed you voltage. Now I showed you amperage. That is how you use the meter.